Hello everybody. In this video we will learn about classes. Classes are very important aspect of mono behaviors and a very important part of object oriented programming. Object oriented programming, or OOP, is a programming concept in which we construct the scripts in such a way that it should look like modules, and the scripts becomes much cleaner than the simple scripts. For example, we have this project opened and endless runner, and if you analyze the scripts you can see that we have a player controller, for example. So in player controller we have a mono behavior. This is the first public class player controller, and these mono behaviors is an ability to attach script with a game object. Okay, so this script we can attach with our player game object. So in this example you can see that we have a update method here, fix update, and in fix update we have here lot of functions, and we handle each functions separately. You can see collider handling. What we can do initially, if we don't go with object oriented programming, we can place this code inside update method. Okay, so for all functions here we can place the codes inside update method, so you can analyze and you can imagine that how messy it will be after that. So what we have done, we have separate each and every function into different function, each and every behavior to a different function. So you can see slide function, run function, jump function, check ground, move x, input handling we have did separately. So after that we have added that functions inside our update function, and definitely in update we have to add input handling on the top. Okay, and then we will also add these functions with a sequence, as I told you that from top to bottom whatever we have to do we will place it from top to bottom. So this is an example of object oriented programming. So also you can see that we have separate scripts here for separate behaviors. For example, here you can see a kill player behavior we have added, and this script will be added with the enemy game object. So it is a separate behavior, separate function. So we have added this script totally separate. Okay, so similarly we have added car controller script separately. Okay, and cam change script separately, and then finally we have because these are the mono behaviors, and we have added the functions in such a way that we can utilize that functions in a one place as well. So in level manager we have call that all scripts in their related places. Okay, so you can see here we are calling player controller script. Okay, so also you can see separate save, multiply, start game functions, and here heart count function, and from in this function we are calling heart count script. Okay, so sorry, not heart count script here, but we can call the heart count script, and we can add that code to separate script as well. So you will see some other examples here. I think you can see the here player controller is everywhere. So yeah, find object of type level manager, and yeah, here most of player controller is used, but in other scripts as well. For example, in kill players you can see that we are using level manager script. So we are getting this script, and then from this script we are getting some game object. So this is very good example of object oriented programming, and we divided our code into certain modules, and for every module we add a separate script. For every behavior we add a separate script, and then we can call these scripts into same place as well, or their related scripts where we want to initiate these scripts. So this is a concept of object oriented programming, and in this game if we play the game, as you can see that our player will move, and okay, start. Yeah, now you can see he is getting hearts, coins, etc. He is jumping, he is sliding. So everything is happen with different scripts. He's getting coin with some another script. He will die with some other scripts function like this. Okay, so you can see everything is working in the place, but with different scripts. Each script handles its own function. Okay, so in this video we have learned about classes, that how important these are to develop our game, and in next video we will take some practical example of implementing classes.